Okay, side note thought. So usually Monday through Friday, I do not eat past 5. I do intermittent fasting, and I usually start my my fasting at like 11 a.m. after workouts, after meetings, after walkie-talkie and everything. And then my last meal will be around like 4:30 because I'm usually in bed by like 9ish on the weekdays. And yesterday, I was, at work, and then an hour drive home, and then I had to get on my mentorship call, which is like from 8 to 9, and I was just for some reason yesterday extra hungry, so I end up like making myself like some like Bobby approved like frozen pizza and everything, and so I ate that around like 8:30ish, and then like was in bed by like 10. And for some reason today I just feel so sluggish. Like this walk is getting hard. I don't know if it's the heat or whatever, but someone that do. So is it the heat, or is it because I like ate later and I didn't give my body enough hours in between sleeping and eating to like digest the food? Or is it because I didn't get the chance to work out before the walk, so now the walk feels harder? I don't know. But I just want to share that this is kind of part of being like self-aware, right? Like seeing how your body, your mood, mental, like work when things do change or adjusts, and then you kind of just have to adjust with it. That's something that I've like learned this year about how to be self-aware, how to notice when your body is different, and how emotions, what makes your emotions flare up and stuff like that. Wow, guys, like look at the sweat. It's real out here, guys. It's hot. Stay warm. Stay cool, sorry. And see you guys on Monday.